Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix error. You'll need a new app to open this Windows Defender link here in Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that we need to do is at the start icon, please do a right click, scroll up, and then go with run. So here in this small window, you need to type for regedit. Again, type for regedit and click on enter to proceed. So your user account control will ask you to say yes, just go with yes so that you would be able to open this window called registry editor. Okay, so here you need to proceed on the left side of that where you can see a list of file folders. Here you need to select on hkey underscore local underscore machine, then click the forward arrow and proceed on software. Click this forward arrow and this time you need to look for Microsoft. I can see it here. Click this forward arrow once again, and this time you need to look for Windows Defender. So simply scroll down and begin on finding such since there are a lot of the file folders listed here. So I can see it here next to Windows, okay? So here you need to look for two values, okay, which are disable anti-spyware and disable antivirus. Now we need to change the value data of these two into 0. How we can do that? Proceed to the very first, which is disable anti-spyware first, and then double tap. And the moment you have double tapped it, this new window, which is edit the word 32-bit value, will appear. Here you need to change the value data into 0. Okay, so if in your case it is being set into 1, 2, 3, or whatever value data is being stated here, just have to set it into 0 and then click on OK. Once you have the click on it, here you need to proceed on disable antivirus. Just have to double tap that and might as well change the value data into 0. In my case, the value data of these two values are being set into 0 already. So click on OK and then click on OK once again. And once you're done, you need to close all of these file folders. Okay, and might as well this registry window as well. Okay, so check if your problem has been fixed, and let's see if it doesn't. We need to move on to our second and last method. Okay, so our last method will be here at the button search bar. You need to type for PowerShell. The moment you've typed it, a system called Windows PowerShell will appear. Here you need to click on Run as Administrator. And just have to wait until this user account control will ask you to say yes, proceed with yes, so that you would be able to give permission on running the Windows PowerShell as administrator. So here you need to paste a command. Don't worry because I'll be including this at the description box below, which is this, a pretty long command actually. Just have to copy this and then paste it here. So do a right click here at this area, go with edit and go with paste and click on enter. Okay, just have to click on enter and wait until the process will be done. It will take 2 to 3 minutes or less than that. Okay, so once it is done, just have to close this window and then check if your problem has been fixed. Okay, so here the start icon, please do a right click, scroll up, and then go with settings. And once you are here at the settings, proceed directly to privacy and security, click on it. And here you need to go with the first, which is Windows Security Options. Click on it and go with Open Windows Security. Okay. So just have to check if the error still persists. If not, then good. Okay. So simply close this window and you're good to go. So those are the two methods on how to fix your problem. If you think this video helps you, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.